Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it.
Good morning, hi, my name is Justin Gumede. I'm from Kola, South Africa. We are currently working in the Xanadu Estate site. The client came to us with a problem. They wanted a solution that would be low cost and effective. So to the client, we recommended then a coat seal.
That's right.
A coat seal is basically a low viscosity spray grade bitumen emulsion which is modified with SBR latex and other additives. It is normally used as a low-cost bitumen coat that not only rejuvenates color, but it also seals fine hairline cracks, and it also extends the life of the road. Now the roads are more vibrant, the colors are brighter, the cracks are sealed. It is really beautiful that Xanadu Nature Estate has seen the positive aspects of them rejuvenating their roads. And it is an honor and a privilege for us, the team on-site and off-site, to give them that. And now the roads are as beautiful as the rest of the estate itself.